ready to rip.
That double's too small.
Looks moist.
Oh.
Always been a black sheep, struggling to work the ATM. I just bet 20K on black at the end.
What is up, YouTube? Here we are at Sunoco, loaded up in the El Camino, about to head to a gnarly pit bike event. I went to this event last year and it was crazy. So right now I'm getting some race fuel for the pit bike and we're gonna hit the road. Dude, this is about to get rowdy, boys. Real fucking rowdy. I don't want to get fucking parked in though, boys. Like last time. Let's see.
What up, Hub?
What's the claim, boss?
We're here, we're ready to go.
All right, boys, we're here. Heavy claims.
The legend is in the building. Legend.
What's the claim, guys? How are you?
Here.
What's up, dude? How are you?
Tom.
Nice to meet you. I'm Hob. What's the claim, dude? How are you?
Good.
He's calling us legends. I don't know why.
Nah, he's a legend.
He's a legend.
He's famous.
I know.
That's not true at all.
Hob's fucking famous. We're just fucking scumbags.
Look at this guy, fresh whip.
For now.
Have you ridden it yet?
Around the neighborhood.
So you're gonna ruin it today.
Probably.
Look at this guy.
How you doing?
What's the claim, boss?
What's up? How you been?
I'm just living it. Dude, merch tent going strong. Look at this guy.
Yeah.
This is legendary. Clothes look good, dude. Real sick. Yeah. You think?
You look fucking great. Ready to rip.
What's going on, dude? How are you? I like your shirt. I like your rig that they set up for you, dude.
My rig is unreal.
Are you ready for that thing?
We were riding around. We're gonna get back on it soon.
That thing's gnarly though, right?
The unit. Look at this unit.
Shoo! What do you guys got done to it?
Well, Cole put on a backrest. You gotta get some straps on there, hold them in there. Got a handbrake here.
I like that, right?
Got a nice shifter over here, man. Some
And
foot
then-
straps too. I mean, foot straps wrapped around there and tied up.
Oh, dude. They're trying to get you smoked on this rig, dude. So pretty much, Judd's telling me that double's too small. He said we good, dude. That's what I said. He wants me to make the landing bigger. So he's going, the landing could be a little bigger. He's going to get his bike. We're going to see what we hit. What's going on, boss? How we doing? Hey, thanks for letting me borrow the machine. These guys are about to do some practice hits out here because they just made these jumps last night for the event. So we'll see. This guy's pro. I don't know, that looked pretty clean to me. What's it feel like out there?
Pretty good.
You like it?
It's hot.
You're the guy that built it, so how's it feel?
I did not build it. I did not build it. I don't want any responsibilities. If someone fucks themselves up, I did not build it.
How's the new
Disclaimer. We'll find out. It's pretty good. I haven't even put gas in it yet.
bike? Last minute track maintenance and tests. Building the track, getting it tested up, and then the boys are gonna fucking shred, dude. You ready for this, Fry?
Oh yeah.
How's the track looking?
Man, looks moist.
You gonna backflip anything?
Maybe this, maybe the ramp.
Maybe the metal ramp, right?
Depending on how we're feeling.
Better start drinking.
Yeah, a couple more.
A couple more Coors Lights and you'll be backflipping everything.
Yeah. Liquid motivator.
How'd it feel, Fry? It feels alright. I think it'll break in.
Going all the way up.
TK 89 2.0. Last time was a good event. No one was an asshole. Should I do that again?
Besides Brad.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you gonna do?
Don't fuck up the grass. My dad's cool until you piss him off. I don't feel like dealing with him. I know you're not gonna want to. Try to stay safe. We're gonna have a bonfire. We'll do mod bikes. Yeah, I mean,
fucking send it to pussy.
we don't have a checkered flag yet because they're not here yet. Seatbelt on?
Yeah, barely.
Look at this squad. This is a heavy squad. What happened to you?
Got fucking hit by an old bitch. Fuck me up, dude. Got this sweet ass car.
Oh shit.
I got this fucking unit. All the way down here.
Holy shit, huh?
I'll be back.
It's about that time, boys. Gonna strap on the helmet, put the GoPro on the helmet, and get out there for a little practice session with the boys. Just start shredding some laps. So yeah, hyped to be here. Thanks to Cole for the invite. Should be a fun day of shredding with the boys. Yeah, let's do this. Look at this big dog. Chain down. The boys are just wrapping up, shredding for like, I don't know, a good 45 minutes or an hour. I took a pretty gnarly hit, fully went down around the berm, went over the double, trying to stay in front of Dylan, and just ate it, and then he just came around real gnarly. But track is so sick today. So mint. The boys are shredding, completely shredding. They're throwing down water right now. I think we're gonna get ready to race soon. So pretty gnarly though, dude. I like the boots and no shirt look. But dude, I went down pretty good. My elbow feels brand new.
Don't do that.
What are you claiming? Having some pizza? Got the big time photo guy out here today.
You already know.
Shooting big time.
You already know.
Go Justin! Vlog inception, dude.
Vlog, another vlog?
Another vlog? I'm vlogging you while you're vlogging them. First race, mod bikes. Let's see what these boys got. Mod bikes.
A little bit of everything. It's a mix of it all.
You getting ready for this? You want me to move over?
I would love for you to move over.
Post-race interview, what's up? You were killing it. You were holding second hard.
He wanted to rub, so I rubbed back.
I like that, don't you? Shredding, dude.
Try it, boys.
Shred session. You ready for this race?
Ready as I'm ever gonna be.
My only objective in this race is to take you down. Big win for the mini moto crew.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to celebrate a little bit.
Yeah, that's a heavy win, huh?
Give me one of these blueberries.
Barking on the boys.
Running good, not leaking anymore.
Well, that's a plus, right?
Yeah.
Stock class, baby. Who's ready for this? Oh shit, it goes deep, boys. I don't even know what gear I'm in.
moto.
First race down, boys. That was a stacked gate.
It was stacked. It's crazy.
What'd you get?
I won.
No, you didn't. You're a god.
Oh, yeah.
That's legendary.
Yeah, now I got to get Brad a catheter, you know.
Oh, no. That's winning more.
That's winning more.
Because that's full brotherly love.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it was a good time, man. That was a gnarly class. That was stacked.
I was out there holding some of the big dogs off for a while, though. So for me, that was a win, boys. Savage.
Defense.
What?
With the defense.
Oh, was that you?
I was like, left.
What?
You kept pushing over on me, man. I was like, oh shit, we're going to bump.
I don't really know what's going on out there, but I was trying.
I don't know where we were in the pack, but we were giving it hell. It was a little battle.
We were trying, yeah.
That was fun.
That was sick, dude.
What do you say, Hop?
That was sick, dude.
We'll get ready for second motos. Get them out there. Second motos, baby.
I like that. Wait, are they doing a girlfriend class?
I don't know, dude. None of the girls really seem interested.
So they're over it.
Like a bunch of pussies, I think. You know what I mean?
I agree. So second motos, we're gonna run them all one more time.
One more time, then we're gonna do a whip comp. I got a bunch of trophies for everyone, so I wanted to run other classes, but they can run after stuff.
We're the fucking farmers.
Look at this, dude. One of the boys brought this Fly High Hob. Hashtag Hob Life. This is so epic.
10 laps, Brad one. Lap.
No way! 10 laps! How much laps? 10! Think you can handle it? These boys were just battling, dude. That was a battle. Did you see the battle in here? Savage, dude. Savages, dude. Dude, how was that battle on those?
Good battle. I'm dying now. That's all there is. That's some pro class time.
Yeah, you were shredding though.
Thank you.
That was gnarly.
Get water. No more beer.
Huge quad guy coming through.
I tried.
How's the rig?
Fucking in, dude.
You like it?
Yeah, we're strapped the fuck in here. We ain't going nowhere. We can go all the way around the track without falling off this fucking thing.
Even the metal jump, you could probably hit it.
Oh, dude, it's cake. That's like first gear on this fucking racer. This thing's fucking fast.
Moto 2, dude, it's about to get gnarly. Really gnarly. It's gonna be a savage first turn. Oh, yeah. This guy, taking it down, dude.
What'd you get? What'd you place?
1-1.
1-1? Shut the fuck up. You're like
1-1. This guy's so fast, he was coming around a turn, he was about to lap me, and he was just yelling, so I took the slow lane and let him go.
Dude, I'm sorry, man, but like, I didn't want to hurt the outlet.
no.
He's such a legend. I shouldn't even be passing him. He
No.
smoked me.
No.
I got lapped by him.
I didn't know if there was somebody like close behind you. I didn't want to mess you up.
Hunter was close, dude, and I was like, damn, like, there was one dude, we got stuck behind for like a whole lap, and I was like, oh, I don't want Hunter to catch, but he's rolling too. We're fucking ripping.
Shred gods, dude.
Whew, the Hobbs a legend.
I don't know about that, but that was an epic moto. 10 lap moto, dude. Who does that?
10 lap hit bike moto. That was
a little tangle.
torture.
Yeah, yeah, you got me. Dude.
Look at my fucking foot.
What happened?
This guy came into me hard.
First turn.
First turn. That was gnarly, boys. Next up is best whip, which is just going to be totally out of control. Way out of control.
We're 1, baby.
1 and 1.
1-1, baby. Here we
Where's
go.
our big bike champ at?
Tupper skin.
There he is.
Look at
Boy
this.
Rick over here.
1 and 1, baby. 1 and 2.
Go, girlfriend, first place.
Thanks to Coors Light for my sponsorship.
Nice. Red God.
Coors Light for getting me this championship over here. It was a great day of racing. Cheers.
I need that. Yeah, you.
And $100. That's right. Mini Moto put $100 on too.
Look at these cheese dicks. Hold on, we gotta get this.
You gotta get that mid chug. Chug it, Garrett. Yeah, everyone chug it. 1, 2, 3.
I feel like I cleared.
You're ready for best whip?
I'm ready, but my toe is not.
You're what's that?
Best whip. Let's go. Fire it up.
Let's go. Let's line up. Let's see this. Let's see this. Yo, camera in my hand. Come on. You gonna be able to defend your championship run?
We got a shot.
Gonna have to give her some more pepper.
A little bit more.
You know what I mean?
Pepper and the beans.
Pepper and beans.
Better rider.
And gravy. Best whip lineup. It's looking gnarly. Then they got a plaque for best whip and $100 thrown in
go.
by Mini Moto Nation.
Who's throwing down? We got $100 in trophy.
Let's see some carnage. 5-minute practice, 10-minute jam session. Best whip that gets thrown down in the jam session wins. Do this, big dogs. Oh.
Put it in and just lost my toe.
Squad, heavy squad.
Baby's a little scared.
Is she? Baby's.
She's way scared.
She's way scared?
That's why I'm holding her.
Okay. That was a fat whip.
I can say that right now.
This is it, boys.
Yeah, you gotta carve that ramp to really get it.
Dude, that last one I got stuck. I almost felt like frying. I hit my back brake and then just, that was it.
Yeah. Yeah. What's up, people?
Good job, boys. Good job. I think it's got to go to Hunter, though.
Oh, yeah.
This guy's about to quit his day job and go pro moto. No way. That was really nice.
Yeah.
How are those wipeouts?
Dude, I'm disappointed.
Dude, you honestly were like really close second though. That one was fat. So fat you didn't bring it back.
Another year, another disappointment. We'll have to drink about it again.
Oh, what a shit.
Good job, Hunter.
My ankles hurt.
You're a god, dude. You sat my titty! Sat my titty!
Let's go, Hunter Dryer, sign my forehead.
Yeah, boys, that's a wrap. This year's event at Cole's house. It was legendary. Best whip was insane. The racing was insane. And yeah, gotta load up the El Camino and head home. I'll see you when I see you. Peace.
Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. I need me a little baby who gon' listen.